Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans, Wetu TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup, Orlando Pirates 2, Makesi 1. I'm joined by Koke.
Ola Steve, appreciate the opportunity, man. Yeah.
Always.
Hey guys, mesilane Orlando bafethu sobheki Orlando Pirates uthi dlala kanjani neMangesi. Understanding very well ukuthi Orlando Pirates last season ikhishwe iMangesi kule tournament, but also iMangesi after iwinning the Black Label there were a lot of changes last season eteamini yakhona. The coach was fired, there were disagreements here and there, and also ama player asha iMangesi last season kube nama changes.
Yeah.
The way ba approach ngakhona. The guy dlala kwi right back, usha number 2 Tepo, Makasana wami. One of the players that were very important for iMangesi last season kule tournament because bamdlalisa forward mokuye mekalanda ngeline, but this time around bathina hlale emuva. That is why iMangesi was not productive with side like right. They needed him because on the other side there's Uchima Ramandare on the other side. So there were the two players that were bringing in Amakross into the 18 area whereby the Mungni striker Sabo Uwandi. So Uwandi na ngathi uqale benchini ngokubona kwami if I'm not mistaken. So those were the three key players last season for iMangesi ukuthi bashaye Orlando Pirates and other teams. So, but what they did this season is that they were defending with 6 at the back and 4 in the middle field. Yeah. But what happened is, whenever Orlando Pirates switched the ball from one side to the other side, I'm a fullback, but the guys that were supposed to play as fullback, they were too late to close down Umuremi and the other player on the other side. So that is why you saw it was easy for Umuremi to come inside or the other player to come inside and cause problems from the wing Orlando Pirates. That's how Orlando Pirates was causing problems in our corner. So into enjalo yenze ukuthi iOrlando Pirates ikwazi ukuthi ibeke phansi iMangesi ngento enjalo, but also iOrlando Pirates weakness yayo is on transition. Look at the ama goal ecisha wakore iMangesi, they were all transition. Every time when Orlando Pirates had the ball ibeke iMangesi under pressure, you will see quickly mabaqeda to create a chance iOrlando Pirates, it was going to be quick iMangesi yenzeni siku 18 Orlando Pirates. If you notice iMangesi ishaya kayi2 ipala le Orlando Pirates, and if you track ukuthi ishaya ipala kanjani kayi2 amabholo which Orlando Pirates was attacking, and my attack Orlando Pirates will throw 7 players phambili. And so my throw 7 players phambili, it leave ama defender a few, and then when they are hit on transition, once one man play one lama player asele lapha emuva kule block le isha 4 emuva iOrlando Pirates sometimes and then attacking ithrow ama number maning phambili, and then when that transition yenzakala, that's where iMangesi would have had iOrlando Pirates. Mangesi could have scored 2 goals beside the 1 goal that they got. So the scoreline could have been different easily on transition. And if you understand very well, Orlando Pirates even last season they had a problem at transition until they bring in UTLP, no CBC, no Togi, until they had 3 center backs. But when there was 2 of them, CBC, no Togi, they were always hitting on transition. If you don't believe me, go back and check Uchi Cape Town City last season, Maizofika la Ekore, and then they were saved by, I think a substitute it was Unkota, Magazo was saved. It was on transition. Last season they were conceding a lot of goals on transition, and I'm seeing it that again happening this season on transition. Orlando Pirates in King. Yes, they can go forward, but now I'm a ball player because individually they're talented. You got talented midfielders, but on transition there's a problem. It means once Orlando Pirates get the player teams that can execute quality transition, that's what King. And now go to back to the mentality. I talked to you about the mentality, the maturity. You look at the game they were corner. Mangesi was not harassing Orlando Pirates. They were so comfortable. And now you look at why Orlando Pirates lost WCAF Champions League. It's because of what? They were being harassed. So it tells you what Orlando Pirates under pressure, they cannot handle it. When they're being harassed and being bullied, they can't take it. And that's what you need to win the Champions League. I'm 100% sure Orlando Pirates did not buy 15 players. I'm 100% sure. They bought those players to win a Champions League. They bought those players to win E-League. Those are the key things. And we cannot celebrate to win a Black Label. They are chasing a Black Label. A Black Label is just a cream on top of the cake. The main cake, E-League, the Champions League. That's what Orlando Pirates is chasing this season. And we cannot celebrate in NetBank. And we cannot celebrate MTN 8. MTN 8, the NetBank, Orlando Pirates was going to win. Those are the cups that Orlando Pirates has been winning. The coach has been brought here not to win in Nedbank, the M108, is to add on top of in Nedbank, the M108, either in league, Eddie League or ICAF, on top of those trophies. So winning these trophies does not mean anything.
Yes.
You cannot come to Orlando Pirates and say, "Mina win M108, I win a Black Label, I win in Nedbank," and you don't win the league.
Yeah.
That's poor return.
Yeah, very.
That's poor returns because you're not brought here for that.
Yeah.
Ungitshela ukuthi angahamba ucoach Jose because of Black Label. You can't.
Yeah.
You can't take away coach Jose and you can't tell me you bought all those players for a Black Label and you cannot tell me you are rebuilding. You cannot tell me that you are rebuilding. You are adding on what you already had.
Yes.
So I'm not excited about what Orlando Pirates is doing. And I think ukuthi, as a true Orlando Pirates fan, I don't think you should be excited about the Black Label.
Yeah.
You should be seeing more than the Black Label. Orlando Pirates is at a level whereby they should be competing Al Ahly. If you look at Orlando Pirates last season, they were playing against MC Alger.
Yeah.
That stadium was packed.
Yeah.
They were under pressure.
Yeah.
You saw how the young boys, Nkota, Nabo really, they brought up, they man up and then they performed. But this play, Crashwa, Ilupopo, Laba.
Yes, what you
They
are.
are not ready. They are not ready. I do wish ukuthi bayithole le opportunity ukuthi babuye kwi-CAF Champions League. There's something I want to see.
Yeah.
I want to see ukuthi mentally, as I'm telling you, mentally, are they ready to be Esperance? Are they ready for a team like RSP Pekani?
Ndoda.
Mentally, you must be ready for such teams.
Yeah.
Are they ready to face such giants?
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
because if Ukrashwa Limpopo,
Lupopo.
if Ukrashwa Limpopo psychologically, how are you gonna cope? Let me give you an example. Al Ahly last season when they faced Mamelodi Sundowns, they had 5 centre backs.
Yeah.
Epitor, 5 centre backs, and you tell me how you gonna break down a defense of 5 centre backs while you are being harassed by Mukoko. So ngizobamba lapho Sithibo. All the best for the next one.
Amaradwana umnandi.